Dear students, as you already know about the even mechanism in haloalkanes in my previous video part 2. Now I am going to add some examples regarding even reaction mechanism. So I start with example 2. Example 1 already mentioned in the previous video. So this example number 2 belongs to 1 degree haloalkane. 1 degree haloalkanes undergo even reaction mechanism. But those 1 degree haloalkanes which contains 3 degree or 4 degree carbon branching. For example, this is neopentyl bromide. This is 4 degree carbon branching, undergoes even reaction in presence of ethanol, protic polar solvent. This is requirement for the even reaction. First it undergoes heterolysis. This is the step first, heterolysis of CBr bond due to solvation energy. So this is step first. This is slow, gives 1 degree carbocation. 1 degree carbocation. This 1 degree carbocation rearranges this methylaniline migrates to this carbon atom. So it gives 3 degree carbocation, which is more stable. 3 degree carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. So first step of even reaction mechanism is slow heterolysis of the CBr bond in presence of protic polar solvent ethanol. First it gives 1 degree carbocation, which rearranges itself into the 3 degree carbocation. During rearrangement, the migration of this methylaniline between 1 and 2 position takes place, giving a more stable carbocation. Now the second step of the mechanism, this is the step first. Step second or step 2, abstraction of beta proton by the solvent to yield the alkenes, in which one is major and other is minor. This is 1 degree, 3 degree carbocation. This is beta hydrogen, and this is beta hydrogen. So under the influence of solvent, say it is OH C2H5, this lone pair abstracts either this proton or abstracts either this proton. In both cases, a mixture of product we obtained. This is first step. In one case, when beta proton is lost from this position, CH3, double bond is set up like this. In another case, when beta proton is lost from the terminal CH3, we obtain this one, CH3, CH2, CH3. So this is product plus this is protonated ethanol. This product is major product, and this is minor product. The major product is more stable because of containing larger number of alkyl substituent, and this carries only 2 alkyl substituent like this. So it is more stable. This is less stable. In other words, this is Satjav product. And this is minor. You can say it is Hoffman's product. Less stable. Hoffman's product. So in this example, we are getting a mixture of alkanes, out of which one is major and other is minor. Why it is major? Because it is more stable. The reason for more stability is larger number of hyperconjugative structures because of the presence of 9 alpha H, and this is low instability because of the presence of 5 alpha H. So this is more stable on account of hyperconjugation, and this alkane is less stable on account of hyperconjugation. It contains only 5 alpha hydrogens. It contains only 9 alpha hydrogens. So greater stability is accorded due to high extent of hyperconjugation. So the rate depends on the first state. So the rate of reaction, the rate is proportional to concentration of alkyl halide, which is 1 degree only. So this is satisfies the even reaction mechanism. Now another example 3. A 2 degree alkyl halide is taken as starting material, containing 3 degree or 4 degree carbon branching, 3 degree or 4 degree carbon branching at the beta carbon atom. So this example third belongs to 2 degree alkyl halide, which has 3 degree or 4 degree carbon branching at the beta carbon in presence of polar protic solvent such as methanol, MEOH, or ethanol, ETOH. Other protic solvent may be chosen also. So in this case, you see the compound. This is CH. This is CHBr. You make it secondary. CHBr make it secondary. This is CH3. And in this side, you take the CH3. You can take H or you can take CH3. So you start with CH3, better to write here. This is beta carbon, this is alpha carbon. This is 4 degree carbon branching. Why called 4 degree? Because this carbon is connected to 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom. So it is called 4 degree carbon branching. Reaction is carried out in presence of, say, ethyl alcohol. This is slow step. This is step first. So loss of this one by desolvation energy already discussed here. CH3, CH 2 degree carbocation. This rearranges 2 degree carbocation. This rearranges to a more stable carbocation by shifting of this methylene to this carbocation. So we get CH3 positive charge, CH3. So this is 3 degree carbocation. This is 1 degree carbocation. This is less stable. This is more stable. So loss of proton takes place from 1, 2 degree and the 3 degree carbocation, but we generally use the loss from this carbon atom. So loss of proton from 3 degree carbon atom. So step 2 is loss of beta proton. Loss of beta proton from 3 degree carbon, from 3 degree carbocation by the polar solvent. By the polar protic solvent takes place producing a mixture of 2 alkenes out of which one is major and other is minor. See the equation: CH3, CH3, this is 3rd degree, this is CH3 and CH3. This is first step, loss of proton by the alcohol ETOH. It may abstract the proton from this, or it may abstract the proton from this, so giving you CH3 CH3. This is 1, Another is CH2 double bond C, CH3, CH3, CH3. This is major. This is major product, major, and this is minor. The region of major and minor is presence of excess of alkyl substituent S1, right, like that. So this carries 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 alkyl substituent, and this carries only this one. One is the CH3, another alkyl substituent is isopropyl group. This carries only 4 alpha hydrogen, this 3 hydrogen atom, and this one, and this carries 9 hydrogen, 9 alpha H, so it is more stable due to hyperconjugation. So thus this is the third example of the even reaction mechanism. Thank you very much.